friend Kik. You know her, she loves playing Roblox, and, hi Kik. If you know, I need to get my ticket. Well, there we go, look. So, Kik, thank you for sponsoring me. So, you have been, like, you're a YouTuber? Subscribe to Kik on YouTube, and she's one of my best friends, or when I first met her, which name was the Vision Part. And Kik, wait for me at the moment. I'll enter you back. Like, oh, Kik. There we go. So, we're together, and I haven't, like, Kik has never been to, like, has never been to Brick World before, like, you haven't been to Brick World before. Got Ethan Brown there. There's a Ninjago, the Ninjago ride's close at the moment, and, Stuff! Everything is cool when you're part of a team! Everything is awesome! When you're living your dream, I'll operate it for you. Everything is adventure when we stick together. Side by side, you and I gonna win forever. The party forever. With our work and money, everything is awesome. Everything is cool when you're part of a team. Everything is awesome. When you're living your dream. 3, 2, 1. Have you heard of this? Everyone start get like this guy because everything's awesome. Like it! Oh, I need to get out Kit. Let me. Oh, Lego movie. I couldn't stop. Wait for me! I couldn't stop. I don't always stop. There we go. Wait for me. I'm gonna check the beat of message Kit. So I'll get Jay. Can you give me the paper to message you found Kit? Message, where are you? Oh, there's as well. Kit, where are you? Oh, she said, I don't know. She's maybe in drop tower, guys. No, not riding the boat. So I don't know. I think she's on a flying edge. Well, I'm gonna cop so I can find her lot. See you in oh, look everyone, Kik is actually on the flying edge. So take her footage of her when she's on board. She's riding, I'll see her on board on her awesome footage on the flying edge. There she goes. Okay, how many minutes battery left? 24 minutes. Yay, there you go, Kik. Oh, you fell over again. Kik, it's just on next. Kik. She's looking at me, bowing. So she just always being silly. Okay, everyone, I'll see some footage of then we're going on next ride. See you in a second. Good on board, Kik. You are really good, right? The Vaulting House, yeah, Legoland Winter's now open. They're one at Legoland Winter's opening. So this is opening soon. Right. This is Cycling, this is Dragon. I want to go on board. Some DJs. Come on. Oh, the map. There's a map. There's a map. This is my, what's that? Dragon Cave. I need 17 more. Roblox for Fast Pass. Let me get when we get back on board. Kik is going really slow. She's my best. Okay, boys and girls, we're going on the Dragon Coaster. Just gonna turn it on. I'm gonna sit next to Kit. So hello, Kit. So you don't know her? I found her Vision Pop. Well, is this today, guys? So I forgot to ask you, guys. I forgot to ask you this. 29 battery, so 20 minutes battery life. So this video is going to be really a little bit short of my vlog. Going at this park. It's a good theme park for all guys. Look at Kit right there. She found me so many times. Ah! Kit! Yay! No kick! Yay! We ended, guys. Okay, let's go to our next ride. Wait. Again? I'll have to cut the video. See in a second. Okay, boys and girls, I'm gonna run our batteries. So this is my last ride of the day before we leave the park. I only get to go on 3 rides. Then run our batteries, and I need to upload this, guys, for this vlog, and I need to say I like me and when we're broken on my knee. But guys, I hope you had an amazing day on YouTube. I need to stop the recording now, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Bye guys. Toy the week this week is phone. AXX for doing the best staff meeting. Bye bye guys.